Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly and easily merge a video file and an audio file together to make a video file with audio using one command on Windows. Let's get right into it. So you're going to need FFmpeg set up on your Windows PC. If you don't, there's an eye up in the corner and a link in the description below to a video on how you can do that. And once you have FFmpeg set up, you need to navigate to where your video and audio file are. And now I want you to open up some text editing software so we can set up the command that's going to merge them together. So this is the command you're going to be using. FFmpeg I, then the file name of the video file, then I, then the name of the audio file, then C, copy output.mp4. You can use a wide variety of video and audio files. It doesn't have to be MP4 and M4A. A WAV file will work, an MP3 will work, other file formats will work. But this parameter here, change this to be the name of the video file that you want to merge. And this name here, change this to be the name of the audio file you want to merge. And this is going to be the name of the combined video file that has your audio and video. Call this whatever you want. Once you have your command set up, drag everything, then right click and click on copy. Now, where your video files are, pick some blank space in the Windows File Explorer, hold the Shift key, and then right click. Then click on Open PowerShell window here. Then I want you to right click, and this will automatically paste in the command. Then press the Enter key. You're going to see a big output, but if you look at the end, you can see that the video was successfully made. So let's close PowerShell and open up output.mp4.
You turned into a big-time villain, Doctor.
And it combined the video and the audio into one video file. Also, if you look at the file size of the output video, it's approximately the size of the video and the audio added up. And that's it for this tutorial. That's how you can quickly merge a video and an audio file together using FFmpeg. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.